Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today embarked on a visit to Tehran in Iran. A total of 904 candidates will contest elections for 8 states and union territories in the 7th phase of Lok Sabha elections. India has climbed to the 39th position in the World Economic Forum's Travel and Tourism Development Index 2024, while US topped the list. Campaigning for remaining 2 phases of Lok Sabha polls reaches a fever pitch as the top leaders of various political parties hold rallies to woo the voters across the country. In IPL cricket, Rajasthan Royals will take on Royal Challengers Bengaluru in the second eliminator this evening at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad.